Hi guys, I am super excited today. I have an author visit with a school in New York. It's a virtual author visit. So I wanted to bring you guys along to get ready with me. Let's go. Okay, let's do this. I am so excited. I'm getting ready for my author visit, and the first thing I'm going to do is wash my face. I'm using Mary Kay 4-in-1 cleanser, and I'm using this really cool brush. I actually purchased it from Burlington, and I absolutely love it. Mary Kay does have a brush that you can use to go along with their cleanser, but if you can't get that, this is a really good brush to use as well. I'll put the information in the description box for you guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and moisturize my face and just kind of wake myself up because it's early. Okay, so here I'm just penciling in my eyebrows. This is a pencil I purchased from Dollar General. It's the black brown color. It's LA Colors, and it's my favorite eyebrow pencil to use. It matches my eyebrows almost perfectly. I absolutely love it. And you guys know I struggle with these brows, so yeah, there's that. I've tried several different techniques and this pencil works the best for me. So here I'm just using Fit Me concealer that I got from Target, and I'm just going to put that underneath my eyebrow, also on top, and get ready to blend it on in. And this part for me, just the blending also, it's a struggle, let me tell you, because I've had times where you can still see my concealer, and I think I have it blended good, and it's just not. And I want it to look good. I'm doing this author visit. I don't want to be on camera looking crazy. So I worked on it for a little bit to make sure that everything was nice and blended. Yep, still blending. I am focused. Look at my face. Oh man, this is not a game. Like, blend, yes. Oh man. All right, this is Wet n Wild, and the color is Sweet as Candy, and I purchased it from Target. You already know where I got that from. It's seriously becoming a problem, but that's a whole nother video you guys don't need to know about. So I'm just gonna apply that to my eyelid and just kind of make sure it's nice and blended in. It's 4 different things that you use. They have it for your eyelid, like the crease of your eyes, the transition color, and then for your brow line. I just kind of put a little bit just right on my eyelid because my eyes are really different. So I don't really have to do like a whole lot to them. I just kind of put it like right on the top of my eye, and I just kind of go. So I'm trying to be fancy, so I'm trying the magnetic eyelashes again. And as you can see, it is cut to me now actually wearing the eyelashes. I tried to do them so you guys could see me. It was an epic fail, so I had to like really get close in the mirror, but I actually was able to apply them this time. Maybe one day I'll be able to show you guys me doing it, but I got them on, so that's all that matters. So now I just put some, I don't even think that was on here, but I put some Mael leave-in conditioner on my hair, and I'm just kind of combing it out to get it how I want it to look, and then I'll be all ready to go. Okay guys, I am ready for my virtual author visit. I am so excited. If you guys haven't already, make sure you check out my new book, Different Like Me. I will have it in the description box, the link for you guys to purchase. Listen, you want to purchase this book. It is so inspirational and it's for children, but I really think the message is for everyone. I want to thank you guys so much for getting ready with me today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next time. Peace.